Make a great choice today with the 2019 S5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, wireless charging station, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.